CZ's new Terra Luna Classic proposal. Hook. The crypto market has been jolted by the Terra ecosystem's collapse as the price of the Luna coin, which was formerly among the top 5 by market cap, plummets. On Twitter, however, there were some allegations that the crypto exchange Binance was one of the major investors in the Terra Luna ecosystem amid all the ongoing commotion. Zhao said that during the last 4 years, Binance has made investments in several cryptocurrency ventures. Some have excelled, while others have crumbled. CZ says that is how investments operate. And in this video, we will go through Changpeng Zhao's new Terra Luna Classic proposal. So make sure to stay with me till the end. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note: we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Body: 1.2% burn tax. CZ has commented on the Terra Luna Classic 1.2% burn tax on a live stream today via the Bankless YouTube channel. CZ begins by stating that he is not precisely sure what the Luna Burn Proposal 3568 involves, before adding the Binance would support it if the community could reach a consensus. It's wonderful to see that the Terra Luna Classic community has had an influence on CZ and is encouraged by the positive response. We conclude with some technical analysis of Terra Luna Classic, followed by an update on Luna Burn and a look at the neighborhood pool. With CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ suggesting an alternative for the exchange to introduce a feature that will allow users to choose to opt in for the 1.2% trading fee. Binance continues to be reluctant to implement the LUNC 1.2% tax burn on LUNC traders. The Terra community has not been pleased with the hesitation, since the majority of supporters are insistent that the concept be fully implemented. However, CZ added that he will address the issues raised by the situation in an upcoming AMA with the Terra community. On September 23rd, Terra Rebels hosted a Twitter space where CZ spoke on the issues brought up by lunatics. Nevertheless, CZ made a recommendation that would appease both groups. The reason for deciding to burn $LUNC trade fees was then further explained. Binance will build a burn mechanism to burn the trading fees on LUNC's spot and margin trading pairs by sending them to the LUNC burn address in response to the LUNC community suggestion on burning trading costs while preserving a positive trading experience for users. This notification will be updated each week with the precise quantity of LUNC to be burnt, its equivalent in USDT, and the on-chain transaction ID. Several notable exchanges, including Binance, have expressed support for the Terra Classic LUNC on-chain 1.2% burn tax. Despite this, most of these exchanges, including Binance, have not demonstrated preparedness to put the tax burn on spot traders into practice. Why Changpeng Zhao is hesitant on the burn tax? According to CZ article, it would be unwise to fork Luna and start a brand new chain. Instead, Terra should burn all the extra Luna to create a shortage, which would lead to higher prices as a result of increased demand. Thinking that producing more of an asset would raise its overall worth is the most egregious design mistake, market cap. Just printing more money will only dilute the current holdings. It does not increase wealth. Minting Luna exponentially made the issue significantly worse. This designer needs to get their brain examined. Not just CZ is opposed to the fork. During the preliminary poll, the majority of Terrans opposed it. Terra then offered a revised plan, which is now being explained. Terra then offered a revised plan, which is now being examined. Effects of Binance announcement on Luna Classic prices. The announcement that Binance has implemented the burn mechanism to assist the community in lowering the token's outstanding supply caused Luna Classic to increase by almost 60%. On Binance's previous opt-in proposal, Luna Classic had dropped to $0.00018,138, but in just 1 hour, it shot up to $0.00032,750. We must move quickly to convince the remaining cryptocurrency exchanges to support Luna Classic and implement the tax burn campaign. It shouldn't be difficult for the other exchanges such as KuCoin, Huobi, Kraken, and so on to implement the burn mechanism if Binance, the biggest exchange in the cryptocurrency market, agrees to cover the cost of burning Luna Classic out of their pocket. They are not being asked to cover the expense. We are more than happy to pay further costs to lessen the excessive supply of LUNC. All disputes and difficulties may be resolved magically and lawfully in space. Space, the confines of reality, is more powerful than any person. Within space, everything has existence of its own. Luna Classic's destiny is not influenced by rivalry, avarice, fear, or deceit. The cosmic law of space, unity, goodness, and harmony paves the way for the Luna Classic. Let's remain together in our mission to enlighten the world with a new value derived from community and unity. Outro. What do you think about the new announcement? Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.